Barrister has nothing to do with the LLM degree. The LLM is merely a postgraduate degree in law at master's level. Depending on the country or jurisdiction and the type of the degree, it is the LLM may or may not allow the person to practice law. However, the barrister is one of the two kinds of lawyers: solicitor, which are non-trial lawyers, versus barristers, which are court advocates. In jurisdictions like England and Wales, UK, where legal profession is split in the two, as far as LLM is concerned, you can take an admission in any of the university offering the postgraduate program. And after having the admission, you can continue your study and have the postgraduate degree from the university. After completing LLM, some universities allow you to do practice, however, some don't. As far as barrister is concerned, barrister can initiate its practice and start his practice not only as a non-trial lawyer but also as a trial lawyer in any court of England.